Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to install VS Code for Ubuntu. So you're going to want to fire up a browser of your choice and type in download Visual Studio Code, and we'll go to this code.visualstudio.com download, and when that loads we'll be able to download this file. I am on a virtual machine, so it's rather slow. So I'm on Ubuntu, so I'm going to get this .deb file. Then they also have Red Hat, Fedora, and SUSE would be the .rpm file. So I'll click this .deb file, and this should kick off the download. There it goes, it's starting. So this will take a second, so I'll go ahead and cut the video here. Okay, so once that file is done downloading, you're going to want to head to Files and then locate that. So for me, it was just in the Downloads folder, and then this code, version, and then .deb. So double click that file. For me, it took forever for it to pop up in the software install, but it eventually does. And then once we're in the software install, then we just click install and authenticate. And then we'll go ahead and let this install through here. Alright, so the install just got done. So if I head to applications, wow, that was ugly. Show applications, and I'm hoping now when I type in code, there we go, Visual Studio Code, and click on that. And now let's see if it pulls it up. Alright, so VS Code loaded up, and now we're going to want to install our extensions. So extensions they just make a programmer's life so much easier. These extensions, they basically just help you out along the way when you're writing code. So one of the most popular ones to install is Python. And this is made by Microsoft. It basically just does like code formatting, refactoring, unit tests. It's a super helpful extension. And let that install. I also want to do Pylance. Yes, so Pylance comes with it as well when you do the Python. I like to do the SQLite viewer. So if you do SQLite database, this viewer allows you to actually see your database file. So like the .db file, you can just double click it and it'll pop up here and show you the tables. It's very useful. And then I like to do a GitHub. Oh boy, I don't think I was typing. There we go. GitHub pull. Oops. Pull requests and issues, I believe is what I want. Yeah, it was right there. Pull requests and issue right here. So this one's made by GitHub. It's just pretty handy if you do use GitHub, which I highly recommend, or at least some kind of source control. And the final one, it's called iSort. This one's pretty helpful. It's another Microsoft Python extension. So we'll go ahead and install this one. And that is all of the extensions that I like to use. You can definitely find some really powerful extensions out there. Anybody can make these extensions, and some people they just go crazy with it and make super handy extensions. And what would a video be without a thank you? I really do appreciate the view, and I hope this video helped you. And I do have a Discord server if you want to join. I'm trying to build a community of Python developers as a resource to you and all of the members. However, if you don't want to, I totally understand. It is 100% free to join. Do consider liking and subscribing the video, as this just helps promote our community. And as always, thanks for watching.